Alright guys, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to another fishing video. We're fishing with Mikey. I'm here in a different spot. I've never been here. That's how sketchy this is, under a bridge. Snake territory for sure. But let's get straight to it. Yeah, every time I pass through here, I always see cars. So I decided to fish here. It looks very sketchy, honestly. It looks pretty scary, I ain't gonna lie. Hopefully I don't see no snakes. I cross my fingers on that. But yeah guys, so far it looks good. I'm sure it's gonna be dark because of course it's under a bridge. But hopefully you guys could see me. Hopefully you guys could see the video good. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out. Oh, that looked like a very good spot. Let me work it slow. I'm sorry about the background. Like I said, there's a bridge, so cars are going in or passing by. I mean, I'm not sure there's fishes here. I mean, like I said, I see people all the time. But hopefully we could make a fishing video in this spot. But yeah guys, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm gonna try to throw it down there. Hopefully I can catch some. Fish on. Can you guys see this fish? Just put him back in the water. Thanks for biting, buddy. Guys, I have another fish. Yeah, buddy. This one's about the same size. A little bit smaller. Let's go on the sun. Let's see how this one looks. It's a little too dark over here. Wow, can you guys see the color on this? Look, it has a little bit of purple on it. Nice. Let's get him back. Thanks for biting, buddy. Ooh, fish on. Fish on. Stay in there. Fish on. Oh, he got stuck. There we go. Sweet. It looks like there is another bluegill. Oh, there's some that went for the Patriot color. Wow, look how beautiful this one is. Can you guys see? I'm not sure if the GoPro's picking it up. Yeah. Wow. Look at the colors on this. Let's put them back. Thanks for biting, buddy. Alright guys, let's see if we could go further down there without busting my ass. Let's see if there'll be any fishes. I see little fishes down here. Let's see if I can throw it down here. Guys, there's a lot of little fishes. That's crazy. There's a lot of little fishes. Oh, I see a bluegill. Guys, I see a bluegill. That's a good sign. is crazy how clear the water is. Whoa, I heard something. Oh, I'm pretty. Oh, I knew it. I knew if I threw it down there, I was gonna catch a fish. I felt a big thump. Guys, I felt a big thump. Let's re-throw it down there. Guys, they're all right there. They just don't want to commit to bite. Under the sink. Guys, somebody finally committed to bite. Oh, fighting pretty hard. Oh, wow! Look at this big one. Whoo! Whoa! Hold on there, little buddy. Whoa! No! Whoa, guys, he left. He's right there. Let me see if I can catch him. Oh, that's a big one. Where you going, buddy? That was pretty fun. Well, maybe I'll catch him again. Alright, guys, let's move. Keep on moving. Man, this grass is too damn high. There's several people fishing that way. So hopefully it ain't too shallow over here. Guys, all this place looks very shallow. I'm just waiting on the kayakers to load their kayaks in the truck so I could make my way down over there. As you can see, they're fixing to leave. It's very shallow, guys. I don't think there's fishes here. Well, I'm sure there is because I did see a fish over there like in 2 feet of water. So ain't no telling. But it just throws some random cast. You don't want to let it sink all the way to the bottom. Because I mean, either way it's gonna sink pretty fast since it's so shallow. But I ain't trying to get snagged. Guys, fish on. Get back in here. Let me take a picture of this one. Whew. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, let me get another one. Alright, there we go. There we go. Fish on. Let's get him back. Well, I guess he was getting attacked, guys. He has blood. He has blood on his tails and his fin. Let's put him back in the water. Thanks for biting, buddy. Can you guys see? Very shallow on this side, like I mentioned before. Alright, guys, so it is safe to say there is fishes here. So it's getting dark on me. Bite went pretty slow. So I'm fixing to wrap up this video. Let me just make one more cast. Working my last cast bait. Should I risk it and throw it between those trees? Because I know there's a fish hiding. Oh, there goes that. Well, I got it, but alright, guys. Would I be able to recover it? Nope. Man, I can't even see it. Oh, that's true. Well, guys, it broke off. So yeah, guys, hope you guys like this short video. First time being here. Most definitely gonna come back. And honestly, I think this is gonna be my favorite creek. Next time I'll bring some water boots. Maybe I could go where I first started fishing. Maybe go down further that way with my water boot. But yeah, guys, hope you guys like and subscribe. To a friend, to a family member, help the channel out. You know, peace. Till next time, guys.